right as a note. Today, once again, I'm at the gyms and we are cleaning the interior of my Miata. Leather seats, sticky bit on the wheel, which Jim can't wait to clean off. What else is important? Plastic panels, interior glass and carpets. So all these bits, Jim will share his secrets how to clean off. See all your hard work one rainy day. It looked good though. For 2 days. For 2 days it looked really good. You can see like the layer of that, a little bit of a dust, but still it looks shiny.
It's in beads now, rather than just one clean mess, sheet of mess.
Is that how you call my car? One clean sheet of mess. Or one clean sheet of mess. Sheet of mess. Okay. I can live with sheet. Okay, I'm doing before videos then. Here we go. A sticky bit. A carpet. Which is not the worst, actually. I think when I bought it, all the carpets inside were changed. They look pretty new compared with everything else.
We could do some taping off 50/50s as well.
What is taping off?
Just use a bit of tape, just to like draw a line.
Oh yeah, and you do half and half.
Yeah. So I'm just going to start off by hoovering up some of the chunky bits, just so we don't end up wiping it over the materials as we go. The Valet Pro leather soap, and I think they just describe it as like a shoe brush. So it's relatively soft bristled.
It's actually, yeah, quite soft.
Yeah.
It looks scruffy then.
There's a little bit of controversy when it comes to cleaning leather. If you go to a leather company, they'll say don't use microfibers, which are very soft.
Why?
I don't know. But a lot of people use the magic sponges as well. There's little white things, but then some other purists will say it's like sandpaper and it's really abrasive. But I suppose it depends what your outcome's supposed to be, really.
Yeah. And you happy with your brush?
Yeah, the brush gets the job done, and I will use a microfiber to wipe it up with. But if I was working on a £200,000 Ferrari, I might look into proper leather care products.
Yeah.
And do it with their recommended stuff. But for
Miata, you can just
basic applications will be fine.
a sticky bit.
Go on. See if we can keep it for you if you like.
Take it off, and like I had to start living with it. Get used to it. It's like a pet.
You can leave it there if you like.
Well, like you know when you have a mouse or a spider in the house and you don't want to kill it.
You name it.
It becomes just like, yeah, you name it and it becomes a pet, and just one day you find it dead.
mean, there's been...
Well, you found it.
I mean, I cleaned up blood from a dog that died, got hit by a car, and then the owner tried to take it to the vet in the footwell of the car. And then she asked me to clean all the blood out. That was a bit horrific. But yeah, other than that, just buzz normally. What we can do is try steam. It's another one of those things that's not always recommended on leather, but needs the sticky stuff, so if you want it off,
Just steam it.
you can try and steam it. The steam obviously is hot, and the heat helps to swell up dirt.
Yeah, it also kills the bacteria.
Yeah, so that's just making it
It's
come
good
off.
for coronavirus.
Yeah, I mean, you have to, in order to help it with coronavirus, you need to have, like, I think they say about 90 seconds of constant exposure, which gets quite wet. So I wouldn't necessarily be able to say that
You're not killing
I'm not
coronavirus.
saving. I wouldn't be able to claim it. Doesn't mean it's not, but I'm not allowed to claim that it does.
What's next?
Next, we'll just sort of wipe down the dashboard.
Gloss. And for gloss, you're using a gloss cleaner. It's not in focus. Wait. Yeah. Gloss cleaner for gloss.
Some nasty crap down here. It might be a good idea to get the seats out.
Oh yeah. Okay, so my carpets are black and they're not very dirty.
No.
What is the difference if they are wet and very dirty? Like wash them or
I mean, you can wet vac them either way. I mean, whether you can see the dirt or not is sometimes still there. Yes, so you can wet vac them and scrub them. If they're really bad, like sometimes with floor mats, I'll use a drill brush
Here we go. Yes. That's when you think your car is pretty clean. So, what we have here? Let's have a look. Just normal stuff like McDonald's. And somebody had some drinks. Some tooth. Yeah, nothing illegal. Ta-da! All done. Thank you once again, Jim. Not giving you a hand, like we have to be 2 meters, 2 meters away. Like, thanks for watching, guys. I said I'm not gonna say subscribe and follow and hit the bell button, but you know what you have to do anyway.
Ding ding.
Do what you have to do. And what? You don't see my face? Is it better? I can't be too close to Jim. What do we have to do? Okay. Is it better this way? Okay.